Okay, we will solve this one. Find the product of the square of y plus 5. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, i-double natin yung y plus 5 times y plus 5. Okay, kasi the square of the quantity of y plus 5. Okay, so dalawa. Ibig sabihin, we have to double the y plus 5. Then, apply natin yung FOIL method, yung first, outer, inner, and last. Multiply natin yan. So that is y squared, or y times y is y squared. Then outer, yan. So multiply natin yan, so that is 5y. Y times 5 is 5y. Then inner, okay, inner tayo, yan. So 5 times y, that is 5y. Then last is 5 times 5 is positive 25. Then i-combine like terms natin. So y squared, kopyahin natin yan, then combine natin ito. So, 5y plus 5y, so that would be 10y. Then, kopyahin yung plus 25. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter D is the correct answer.